Here some question are given. Question is that a square plus 2ab plus b is equal to 44. What is the value of a and b? Here term or condition is that a, b positive integer. How to solve this question? Let's start. First of all, solution. First of all, see here. According to question, a square plus 2ab plus b is equal to 44. After next step, see here, b common, take common b. So a square plus b take common. After left it 2a plus 1 is equal to 44. After that, multiply with 2 in both side. Both side multiply by 2. After next time, see here, multiply with both side 2. 2a square plus 2b in bracket open 2a plus 1 bracket close is equal to 88. After see here 2a square plus a minus a plus 2b bracket open 2a plus 1 is equal to 88. After next step, see here, take common 2a here. See here, a common take, bracket open 2a plus 1 minus a plus 2b bracket open 2a plus 1 bracket close is equal to 88. After next time, see here, a bracket open 2a plus 1 plus 2b bracket open 2a plus 1 minus a. This minus comes this a is equal to 88. After next step, see here 2a plus 1 2a plus 1 take common 2a plus 1 bracket open. After left it 2a plus 1 divided by this, left it a plus 2a plus 1 divided by this, left it 2b bracket close. After left it minus a is equal to 88. After that, multiply by 2 both sides, multiply by 2 both side. See here, next time 2 into bracket open 2a plus 1 bracket close bracket open 2a bracket open a plus 2b bracket close minus 2a is equal to 170. Minus both side minus 1. Subtract extract minus 1 in both side. See here, next time 2 into 2a plus 1 bracket close bracket open a plus 2b bracket close minus 2a minus 1 is equal to 175. After next step, see here 2 into 2a plus 1 bracket close a plus 2b bracket close minus, see here, minus 1 multiply with this will be a 2a plus 1 bracket close is equal to 175. After next step, see here 2a plus 1 2a plus 1 2a plus 1 bracket open close. After next time, see here 2a bracket again open a plus 2b bracket close minus 1 bracket close is equal to 175. 2a plus 1 bracket open 2a plus 4b minus 1 bracket close is equal to 175. See here, 2a plus 1 is greater than 2a plus 4b minus 1. Means that 2a plus 4b minus 1 is greater than how much? 2a plus 1. So a greater than 0, b greater than 0. So here see here next step after 2a plus 1 bracket open close 2a plus 4b minus 1 bracket close is equal to first case C 175. 175 will be written as 1 into 175 case 1. Second case 5 into 35 case 2. 7 into 25 case 3. 3 case are arise. 3 case 1. Case 1. Case 1, 2a plus 1 is equal to 1. Next question, 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 175. So 2a is equal to 1 minus 1. 2a is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 0 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to 0. Here a value 0. This a value put in this place. 2 into 0 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 175. 0 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 175. 4b is equal to 175 plus 1. 4b is equal to 176. Therefore b is equal to 176 divided by 4. Therefore b is equal to 44. Therefore a comma b value is equal to a value 0, b value 44. Case 2. In case 2, see here, 2a plus 1 is equal to 5. Second, 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 35. Here 2a is equal to 5 minus 1. 2a is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 4 divided by 2. A is equal to 2. A value 2. A value put in this place. 2 into 2 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 35. 4 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 35. Here for how much? 4b is equal to 35. 4 minus 1 3. 3 positive comes in minus 3. Therefore b is equal to 32 divided by 4. B is equal to 8. A comma b value is equal to a value 2, b value 8. Case second value. Case 3. Case 3, see here, 2a plus 1 is equal to 7. 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 25. Therefore 2a is equal to 7 minus 1. 2a is equal to 6. Therefore a is equal to 6 divided by 2. A value 3. This A value put in this place. 2 into 3 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 25. 6 plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 25. Therefore, 4b plus 5 is equal to 25. 4b is equal to 25 minus 5. Therefore, b is equal to 20 divided by 4. Therefore, b is equal to how much? B is equal to 5. Therefore, a comma b value is equal to a value 3, b value 5. A1 B1 value is how much? 0, 44. A2 B2 value is how much? 2, 8. A3 B3 value is 3, 5. In this, according to question, positive integer are only case 2 value. Case 2 value only is the positive integer 2, 8. Let's checking. Only positive integer will be checking. A2 B2 value is 2, 8. Case 2. According to question, see here, a square plus a square plus 2ab plus b is equal to 44. See, a square means 2 square plus 2 into a value 2, b value 8 plus b 8 is equal to 44 question mark. 2 square 4 plus 2 into 2 4 into 8 32 plus 8 is equal to 44 question mark. All are added, 44 is equal to 44. LH and RH both are equal, means that case number 2 are correct answer. Thank you for watching my video.